A warm welcome to all of you. Today in the Wazwan series, I'm going to show you how mushrooms are cooked. This video has been made with the help of Kashmiri local chefs or Wazas. In Kashmiri multi-course meal Wazwan, all the varieties have delectable taste. It mostly comprises of non-veg dishes, but veg dishes are equally an important part of Wazwan. So let's get started. Starting with the recipe, they have heated a big ladle of oil and added mushrooms to it. They have used canned mushrooms and they have washed them in water. Wazwan is cooked on simmering flames of wood. Now they'll be adding these mushrooms to hot oil and they will keep it frying till they are fried properly. They will keep it stirring so that they are fried properly and they don't burn. Now here you can see that they are fried properly. Now they will be adding spices to it. So here you can see it's on the flame. So now they will be adding 1 teaspoon of chili powder. They have mixed it and then they will be adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and almost a glass of mutton stock. In Wazwan they have an enormous amount of mutton stock, so they will be adding it to it, and salt also according to your taste, and it's still on the flame. Then they have added 5 to 6 green cardamoms, 1 to 2 cinnamon sticks, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 3 to 4 cloves, and 1 teaspoon of fennel seed powder. Now they will let it cook on flame only till almost all the gravy is absorbed. Now here you can see almost all the water is absorbed. Then they will be adding 2 teaspoons of vinegar, white vinegar. They will mix it and cook it for some time and then they will take it off the flame. So now here you can see mushrooms are ready and they are ready to serve. Give them a try and let me know in comments how they turn. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.